Hello student, in this video we learn how to install WordPress theme. So for this purpose we first log in our WordPress dashboard. So click on URL and then write down wp-admin admin and then press enter. After that your login URL will be visible. So we have entered our username testing WP and enter your password testing WP and click on login. So we have entered in our WordPress dashboard. Now we upload or install a WordPress theme. So to install a theme we have go to appearance and then click on themes. So this the 2022 themes is already installed, and to activate a new theme, so first we click on edit new. And we search about a best WordPress theme Astra. It is a best WordPress theme Astra, and also a best WordPress theme Schema. So Schema Lite, and search it. It is the free version. You also purchase this Schema Lite theme in pro version. So click on install. The theme is installed, and now click on activate to activate the themes on our WordPress website. So the theme is activated, and now we visit our website to check the theme look, how to look like our website overview. So website is look like that, right? Our WordPress theme is installed. Thank you for watching for this video.